Ain't gon' let no one say nothing bad about my baby. That's my man. Spent too many nights on my knees praying to Jesus. I'm his lady. That's my man.
As y'all know, it is a blizzard, snow blizzard. When I say it's so bad out here, y'all, and then the lights are off in here, but I got my window open so that I can be able to see. And I'm glad that I was smart enough to get some candles last week. I bought 100 candles. It came in a box and it was like $4. So I got my candles for nighttime if it don't come back in. But right now I don't have no service, no Wi-Fi. Can't talk to nobody, nothing like. Nice chilly up, and I got me some more towels, and I got me some trash bags because, of course, you know, the housekeepers haven't been coming and cleaning the rooms and stuff due to the power outage and then the snow that's built up here. They can't bring their cart up here, but they've been asking everybody to, you know, like I said, please hold door for high winds. And they've been asking people to use the stairs, like I said, because the power may go out while you on it. And it's people that's been hard-headed, you know, still been on the road after it's been banned. And this guy, he's, I guess, getting the snow off his car, but they don't understand. The more people that's off the road, they'll have, like, you know, the snow and stuff up so we can be able to move and some of the stuff can get open or whatever. But this is what's going on in Buffalo, you guys. It's a big blizzard. And this is the guy right here in this van that been taking people. The back is still full with snow. They didn't come back here and do it, but you can't even see the cars that's back there. Yesterday and tried to plow the road. They got some of it up or whatever, but it was a disaster, y'all. As I showed y'all in the pictures before, you couldn't even see the cars, and it was real bad. And they don't want you using the elevators. Because the power might go out. I'm headed to warm the last little bit of food I got.
His favorite type of chick, bougie, bad and thick. I could buy designer, but this fashion over fit.
That ass, 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 that ass. She bad, she bad, she bad, she bad.